In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Calendly event private. Whether you're managing client meetings, interviews, or personal schedules, there are times when you might want to keep certain events private and hidden from your public booking page. Calendly, a popular scheduling tool, makes this possible with just a few steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your event settings to ensure privacy when needed. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. First, start by navigating to the Calendly homepage, where all of your events are displayed. This is your central hub for managing availability and events, and it's where you can see everything you've already set up. Take a moment to locate the specific event that you want to make private. It's important to select the correct event to ensure that you're updating the right meeting. Once you've identified the event, look for the three dots icon next to its listing. This icon allows you to access additional options for that specific event. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Edit. Choosing Edit will open the event's editing mode where you'll be able to make adjustments. Now, wait for the editing pop-up to appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This pop-up is where all the customization options for your event are located. If it doesn't load instantly, don't worry, just give it a moment. Sometimes it might take a few seconds, especially if you have a slower connection. Once the editing pop-up is visible, locate another three dots icon positioned next to the event name within the pop-up. This second icon might be easy to miss, so take a close look and click on it when you find it. This will bring up another menu with more specific options for your event. From this menu, select the option labeled Make Secret. By choosing this, you're turning your event into a private meeting. This means it won't be visible to others on your public Calendly page, and only those with the direct link will be able to access it. It's a simple step, but it's key for maintaining privacy and control over who can book the event. After making the event secret, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click on it. Saving ensures that all your adjustments are applied successfully. Without this step, your event settings will remain unchanged, so it's crucial to confirm everything before moving on. And that's it. You've successfully made your Calendly event private. Now, your event will only be visible to those who have the link, giving you more control over your scheduling. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.